Hello. Today we're gonna draw leaves. First up, you're gonna practice the leaves and learn them and watch carefully. So you're gonna do the leaves and practice them. If you learn them, draw these two lines and then connect the leaves on them. And boom, you got a stack of leaves. Practice it every day so you learn it. And let me tell you that these leaves can be used everywhere, like in Arabic designs, in every henna designs, and they're so perfect. You can learn them so easy. They're so beautiful. This next one, we're gonna draw a curvy line and then connect the other leaves that we learned. So yeah, we're gonna connect them like this. So beautiful, so easy, so good. Okay, let's do another curvy line. Do what I say, just connect the leaves and boom, you got a curvy stack of leaves. Yeah. So make sure to like and subscribe. And if you know these designs, just comment. I love henna designs. So bye bye.